Bahrain's economy, traditionally anchored in oil production, is undergoing a significant transformation as the nation diversifies its economic base. This shift is driven by a combination of factors, including declining oil reserves, fluctuating oil prices, and a growing awareness of the need for a more sustainable and varied economic structure. As a small island nation in the Persian Gulf, Bahrain has recognized the importance of reducing its dependency on oil and gas, which currently constitute a significant portion of its GDP. The government of Bahrain has initiated a series of economic reforms and development plans aimed at fostering diversification. Key among these is the Economic Vision 2030, a comprehensive strategy launched in 2008, outlining a roadmap for transitioning to a more diversified, knowledge-based economy. This vision emphasizes investment in non-oil sectors such as finance, tourism, digital technology, and manufacturing to create a more resilient and dynamic economy. The financial sector in Bahrain has been a major focus of diversification efforts. The country has established itself as a regional banking center, leveraging its strategic location and business-friendly environment. Bahrain's regulatory framework and investment in fintech innovation have attracted banks and financial institutions, making finance one of the fastest-growing sectors in its economy. Tourism is another area where Bahrain is diversifying. The country is investing in developing its tourism infrastructure, including luxury resorts, cultural attractions, and sports events like Formula One racing. These developments aim to transform Bahrain into a major tourist destination in the Gulf, attracting visitors from around the world and generating new revenue streams. The manufacturing and industrial sector, particularly aluminum production, is also a key component of Bahrain's economic diversification. Aluminum Bahrain, ALBA, one of the largest aluminum smelters in the world, significantly contributes to the nation's economy. The government is also encouraging investment in other areas of manufacturing to further expand this sector. Bahrain's strategic geographical position as a gateway to the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) market provides a significant advantage in its diversification efforts. The country has been working to enhance its logistics and transportation infrastructure, including the modernization of its port and airport, to become a regional hub for trade and logistics. Investment in education and human capital is a central aspect of Bahrain's diversification strategy. The government is focusing on improving the quality of education and vocational training to build a skilled workforce capable of supporting new industries and technologies. This emphasis on human capital is critical for sustaining economic growth and attracting foreign investment. The digital transformation of Bahrain's economy is another critical area of focus. The government is promoting the growth of the ICT sector through initiatives like Startup Bahrain, aimed at fostering innovation and entrepreneurship in digital technologies. This digital push is intended to position Bahrain as a leader in the digital economy in the region. Bahrain is also tapping into the renewable energy sector as part of its diversification strategy. With the global shift towards sustainable energy sources, Bahrain is exploring solar and wind energy projects. This not only aligns with global environmental goals, but also ensures energy security and opens up new economic avenues. The real estate and construction sectors in Bahrain have seen significant growth, fueled by the government's investment in large-scale infrastructure and housing projects. These developments are aimed at creating a more attractive environment for both local and foreign investors, as well as providing housing solutions for the growing population. Bahrain's efforts to attract foreign direct investment, FDI, are crucial to its economic diversification. The government has implemented policies to create a favorable investment climate, including tax incentives, streamlined business registration processes, and the establishment of free trade zones. The diversification of Bahrain's economy is also closely linked to regional cooperation and integration. Bahrain is an active member of the GCC, and its economic strategies are often aligned with broader regional initiatives, such as increased economic integration and joint infrastructure projects. The challenges in diversifying an economy that has been heavily reliant on oil are significant. Bahrain faces competition from other regional economies, fluctuating global economic conditions, and the need to continuously adapt to technological advancements. Despite these challenges, Bahrain's steady progress in diversification reflects a strong commitment to economic transformation. The government of Bahrain has also emphasized the importance of sustainability in its diversification efforts. This includes not only environmental sustainability, but also ensuring that economic growth benefits all segments of society, reducing income inequality and improving living standards. Bahrain's policy of economic liberalization, marked by the ease of doing business and a free market approach, has been a key factor in its diversification success. This open economic policy has encouraged entrepreneurship, attracted international businesses, and stimulated domestic growth. The COVID-19 pandemic posed a significant challenge to Bahrain's economy, but it also accelerated some aspects of its diversification, particularly in digital services and e-commerce. The pandemic highlighted the importance of having a diverse and adaptable economic structure capable of withstanding global shocks. In conclusion, Bahrain's journey towards economic diversification is a multifaceted endeavor, encompassing a wide range of sectors and strategies. From bolstering its financial services to investing in tourism and digital innovation, Bahrain is actively reshaping its economic landscape to ensure long-term sustainability and resilience. As Bahrain continues to diversify its economy, it sets an example for other resource-dependent nations in the region. The success of its diversification strategies will not only benefit Bahrain, but also contribute to the economic stability and growth of the wider Middle Eastern region. As we observe Bahrain's ongoing economic transformation, it becomes clear that strategic planning, investment in human capital, and adaptation to global economic trends are key to achieving a diversified and robust economy. Thanks for watching Middle East Info. Please consider liking and subscribing for more insightful content on this fascinating region.